Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. I know you guys thought I was crazy when I said I'd be putting rivets on this thing tonight. It is ready for rivets. See, I got my panel lines on there. And it is looking good, man. Got some other stuff done too. Oh yeah, I've been a busy little beaver today. Someone said, won't this make it harder to demold? No, guys, these parts will still come right out. They'll come right out in the mold. And I sand them down, and they're pretty smooth. Man, that fresh primer sure burns good though. Sure does. Oh, you guys are going to like the way I mount these things. You guys are going to like it. And some Volvo nearing at its finest, baby. No, me and Joe Bryce been talking about it. I can't take all the credit. But it's going to be a really cool mounting system. Lightweight, strong. These things won't budge, no wiggle. This thing is going to be tough. And it's at a lightweight material. I'm going to use foam in my drop tanks. Oh, Carrie, yeah, man. The Thunderbirds had drop tanks when they went from show to show. Sure enough, buddy. They used them drop tanks. That's how they got from city to city. I've seen some pictures on the internet. We all know everything on the internet is true. I know you guys are thinking, oh, Bob ain't gonna get that done tonight. We know how Bob talks sometimes. Oh no, time is short, people. I gotta go. Oh, Jason, what happened to you, brother? Are you like missing in action? Get thrown in jail? Like dropped off the face of the earth or something? Get blasted off to Mars? Don't fail me now, brother. Tell you what I'd like to do, I'd like to redo my plug this winter and put all these rivets on that plug and remold it again. Oh, wouldn't that be nice though? Coming out of the dang molds with rivets on it. Oh, I'd have to remold everything. Oh, that's the bad thing about that. Bam. There's half of it. All the time all wet sand that with some 600. Tone it down just a little bit. Yeah, baby. That ain't all I got done. Check this out. Bam. Oh yeah, I got some parting planes. I'm gonna take these tubes. You're gonna go in there like so. And I had to kind of dado out them trenches to get it at the right height as them tubes, but that's gonna work out really well. Bam. It's all cut real tight. Very little claying. I'm gonna try and get that clayed up tonight before I go to bed. And then tomorrow I'll be able to get both sides done. So it ain't hot out. That epoxy dries fast. But that's what I got going, guys. Wanted to make y'all a little video. You see, these are going to run through there, and that's what's going to hold my stuff. Went to the hobby store, got me some brass tubing, some that's this side and the other, and I got some wood. I went to Lowe's. Joe, I got some of this wood. I'll put them in your package. And these are the rails for the drop tanks, you know, them bumper guards. They sell that at Lowe's. It's a hardwood. Basswood, I think it is, something like that. Or something like poplar. That's what the rails for my nose gear. And that's all I got going, guys. That's it. I'm going to keep plugging away. I'm going to get this rivets done on this side. And you'll see how fast that went. About 10 minutes. And then it's only 10 o'clock. So I should get that clayed up. Sand that with some 600. Start waxing it. Get that glued in my parting plane and get some clay in it tonight. Never know, might make another video. If so, we'll see you back in the shop. Same Bob time, same Bob station. This episode of Bob TV was broadcasted in Philovision. This is a drama-free zone.